Column Challenge. You just need 3 materials, not 1, not 2, but 3. We need paper, at least 3 or 4 pieces of paper, tape, and a couple of books, a couple stacks of books actually. And we're going to use our books to build a firm foundation. So you're like, Miss Samantha, what is a firm foundation? Well, I'm going to tell you. So a foundation is a strong base that you build something up on. So for example, they use you need a firm foundation to build a building so your building won't topple over, but you need a firm foundation to also build a relationship. A relationship could be a friendship, if you will. So for example, we need at least 3 or 4 good traits in a friendship. If you don't have some of these traits, well, your friendship won't be as firm as you would like it to be. So you need love. All you need is love. You need communication, trust, definitely, and respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Okay? So we're going to be using these 4 pieces of paper to build our paper column. And we're going to, after we build our columns, we are going to use the books to top them on top. So when you have a friendship, it's not all roses and daisies. Sometimes you have arguments. So you're gonna put a book on top for an argument, for example. So you have so many things. So first we're gonna have love, and we're gonna use a cylinder. We're gonna make a cylinder. So it's very simple. You take the paper, and you're gonna roll it the hamburger way, not the hot dog way. So we're gonna roll our paper up, and then we're gonna put tape on top. You just need 3 pieces of tape. So you're gonna put your tape at the ends and in the middle, okay? And make sure your tape is taped on really tight so your foundation won't come apart. So you're gonna put on like so. Next we have communication, and we're gonna make this one into a rectangular shape. So it's gonna be cubic. So we're gonna fold it in half. Fold it one more time. Time so we can have the firmest foundation ever. And I'm going to use the edge of the tape just so I could just make it just a little tighter. Then you're going to undo it. And we're going to fold the edge of trust, and we are going to make this one into a pentagonal shape. So it's just like you're making your cube, but this one is just going to be a little different. So we're going to fold it in half once again. Fold it a second time, just like we did for the cubic shape. And then one last time. For this one, you're going to skip a couple of spaces just so you can have the pentagon shape. And we have our pentagon, which is 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one is going to be our triangular shape. Not all the way, just in half here. And then, so you have your rectangle, and then we're going to put some tape on it. That's quiz time. So, where did your tape go? How many pieces of tape do you actually need? So, if you said that you need 3 pieces of tape, and they go at both ends and in the middle, you were correct. Okay, so we're going to put it on a separate. strong our friendship is. With our love, our trust, our communication, and our respect. Okay? Now, how many books do you think can actually hold up my foundation? Do you think my book, do you think it can hold 1 book, 2 books, or we're gonna see? These 4 elements are perfect for a friendship. Love, trust, communication, and respect. If you don't have these, your foundation won't be as strong as mine is. So you can have love, trust, but if you have arguments, will your foundation stand as firm as mine did? So always remember that when you have friendships, think about the 4 things. Does your friend respect you? Does your friend love you? Is your communication there? Is your trust there? Alright, now it's your turn to build your strong, firm relationship. So what 4 things will you put in your relationship? It was great having you guys on this segment of Paper Home Challenge. And hope to see you next time. Bye.
29, 30. Look how strong my foundation is. Your firm foundation of friendship. Can you believe we said 30 books? Wow. Oh my gosh. And it can even hold my pet chicken, guys. Look at that. Wow. That is a firm foundation. Very firm. You agree? Yep. He said yes.
Alright guys, let's see how you can do. How many books can you stack? Can you stack maybe 10, 30, 50 books? If you have 50 books. Let's see how strong your foundation is. Alright, see you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our social media. See you next time. Bye.